Pranam, Namo Namaha. Today we will get to know about the very significance of Janmashtami. We celebrate Janmashtami as per the calendar on these days. But do we know that what is the very significance of it? Yes, we know certain things, that it is Krishna's birthday today, and he was born to diminish very asura called Kamsa. This is just a story we are knowing, but we can't derive any kind of significance from this story. What is the very significance behind it? I will explain you it today. Janmashtami means the birth of consciousness within yourself. As we do our sadhana, as we do our practice, we get that birth of that highest consciousness within ourselves. Then what happens when the birth takes place? What happens when the birth of Krishna consciousness takes within us? Actually, when proper birth of consciousness happens within us, the ignorance, the darkness within us, avidya within us clears off. It clears off the ignorance within us. It clears off the asurs within us. Like that of Krishna took birth to clear off the ignorance or asura known as Kamsa. So we can clear off the very ignorance or Kamsa Tattva from within us, and we can give birth to the Krishna consciousness or the highest consciousness within us. And that is the very significance of Janmashtami. We celebrate the birth of the very consciousness within us, knowledge within us, the birth of the very light within us. That is the very celebration we make in this particular day of Janmashtami. And if you want to know further how to encourage your consciousness, how to improve your consciousness, how to move from the path of avidya to vidya, how to move from the path of ignorance towards light, then you must attend Pranshakti's Sunday free sessions to know these things further. You can do those meditations and kriyas of Pranshakti by which you can give birth to that highest consciousness you are seeking for. So for today, this is the very explanation of Janmashtami from Pranshakti organization. Pranam, Namo Namaha.